Hi, beautiful lover. Guys, watch the process of cooking this delicious ogbono soup, guys. Like and share the video.
Guys, today we are making ogbono soup. So here is the pot we want to make it of. We have our shake. We don't already wash them. So we have our meat. Got everything inside. We have to parboil it. Here is the onions, and sliced onions inside. So we add our maggi. This is star. We are using 3-star. 3-star maggi, guys. Let me toast this one side very well. We make use of 3-star maggi. We have our garlic. Add garlic. With the meat. Black pepper powder. We have our ginger. We also put salt. So we cover it to steam. And steam and come and together. Okay, guys. We have to turn it together so that the ingredients will enter inside. Okay, guys, we have to add pepper. So this is the blended pepper and the onions. We add it inside, and we also add water to it. We use water to rinse it before we cook it. We turn it together. So turn it and cover it to be cooked. So let's go ahead and cut the. Washing it, as you can see. So I want to break this leg. That's what I do. I need to use spoon. You have to put it in. Okay, guys. It's time to put our chicken. That's fried chicken. Turn it together. After turning it, we added the fish. We add the fish so that everything we cook together. So we'll add a little water. Cover it to be cooked. Okay, guys, here is the ogbono. So I washed the ogbono before, so I put it in salt. So it's time for us to take inside and cook. So I normally use this one to make sure it 2 cup of this. That's what I'm going to do. So I already washed it. I just dry it. So I'm going to put the rest for salt.
Okay, guys, as it dey hot, guys, I forget to video where I pour the ogbono inside. After blending the ogbono with oil, I remove the fish and I pour the ogbono inside. After pouring it, I started turning it like this, as you can see. Please like and share this video. After turning it, I give it some time to cook and I come back again to add the fish. So after adding the fish, I turn it again and give it some time to cook. Make sure you give your ogbono a minute to cook. The way this video look, you think that I did not give some time. I give it some time to cook before coming back. So it's the editing that I edited, guys. Please guys, share the video, like and comment on this video.